Ethereum is getting ready for its inevitable climb up and over $10,000. At this point, $10,000 is basically programmed into the matrix. It's coming, and in this video, I'm going to explain some of the key fundamental factors driving the growth of Ethereum. My name's Lark. Every day I make videos talking about cryptocurrency investing, so if you want to stay up to date with crypto, learn more about crypto, make sure you subscribe to the Lark Davis channel. Also, if you can take just a quick second to tap on that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm, that would be much, much appreciated. Now, if you are somebody who'd like to earn some safe and simple passive income, you got to check out Celsius. Celsius is a lender. It's super easy to use. You just deposit your crypto, sit back, and every single week you get paid out. 5.35% on Ethereum, 6.2% on Bitcoin, 8.88% on your dollar stablecoins. And as an extra bonus, if you use the link down below in the description to start your account, you're going to get $50 in free Bitcoin. Nice. So go ahead and check that out if you do want to earn some safe and simple passive income. Now let's go ahead and get into this topic. I want to start off by talking about how basically at this stage, there's not a lot of price resistance ahead for Ethereum. So there's not a lot of big quantities of Ethereum waiting to be sold as the price starts to rise up higher. You can see right here, this is our biggest Ethereum bubble. So 10 million Ethereum were bought between $3,426 and $3,536. 10 million Ethereum, that's about 9%, 8.5%, 9% of the entire supply of Ethereum. That is incredible. Now, all of these people, they could, of course, panic sell if Ethereum drops off the charts in the next few weeks. But on the flip side, these people who have bought that 10 million Ethereum, they're probably not interested in selling it for a 5 or 10% gain. A lot of these people buying Ethereum right now, they're looking for a 5 or 10x gain out of Ether moving forward. They're probably taking this as longer term investors. They're staking their Ethereum, making passive income that way. They're lending out their Ethereum, making passive income that way. We can see moving ahead price-wise, there's not a lot of supply that was purchased at higher prices. So that means from here moving forward, as the price of Ethereum starts to grow, there's not a lot of Ethereum to be dumped at future resistance levels. So there's not a lot of people who bought higher and just waiting to sell to get their money back. Of course, you might see profit taking in here, but again, most of these people are probably not in it for a 5 or 10% gain. We're going to see the price move a lot higher once we get back into price discovery mode again. The next major factor that is basically creating a supply side crisis for Ethereum is that the supply of available Ethereum just keeps dropping. So you can see this chart here. The purple line, that is the amount of Ethereum held on centralized exchanges. You can see this is since this time last year. So this is a year. Straight up, just down, 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 down. Oh, sure, there's been some spikes when there's big price moves, but for the most part, the supply just keeps dropping. That's an incredible trend right there. Meanwhile, very important to note what's happening. We have supply outside of exchanges continuing to rise. Now, obviously, people are taking it off exchanges and taking it outside of exchanges, but a lot of that is going into the staking contract. A lot of that is going into smart contracts like DeFi protocols. A lot of that's being used to buy up NFTs. And the most important thing to look at here is the price. So look at this. The supply down, 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 down. Green line, price, up, 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 up. And away, we're getting, of course, increasingly close to testing price discovery once again for Ethereum. It's not that far away. And with the supply mechanics working as they are, it's only a matter of time before the Ethereum supply crisis ends up jacking up the price in a serious way. Here we can see as well, this is from Into the Block, the net amount of Ethereum leaving exchanges just hit a new record. hit a new record. Over $1.2 billion worth of Ethereum left centralized exchanges yesterday. That is a mind-blowing number. That is a lot of Ethereum. We're talking about hundreds of thousands of Ethereum bought and withdrawn from exchanges yesterday. Now that's not just standard retail buying. Who the heck just bought a giant bag of Ethereum? What hedge fund or private fund or company just bought 100K Ethereum, 200K Ethereum? That is not a normal day of exchange flows. And what's interesting, as Into the Block points out, the last time that $1 billion or more of Ethereum left centralized exchanges, Ethereum increased by 60% within 30 days. So you can see right here, that is the last time we had an outflow of Ethereum over $1 billion. And that was just a few weeks before the price of Ethereum rallied from $2,000 all the way up to around $4,000. History doesn't repeat. Oh, but it sure does rhyme sometimes. Next, we have this one here. 87% of Ethereum's supply has not moved on chain for 3 months or longer. 87% of the supply. That is insanity. That is insanity. That means these people are waiting for higher prices. Yes, we had a lot of Ethereum moving on chain as the price spiked back here. We had, of course, accumulation down through here, but basically we hit a level here, and then just ever since then, people have been accumulating more Ethereum. The HODL waves are going up. People are holding for higher prices. They're not selling below the previous all-time high. They know a new all-time high is coming. They know price discovery is coming. They're watching and seeing what is happening economically with Ethereum right now. They're seeing how much, for example, Ethereum is being burned at the moment. Put myself back on the screen here real quick. We have now had $1.1 billion worth of Ethereum burned away. 309,500 Ethereum at the time of recording this video. It'll be more by the time you end up watching this video. Now, what does that mean? Why is this so important? It's important because that is $1 billion less Ethereum that miners sold into the market. This is a massive reduction in selling pressure from the miners. Massive reduction in selling pressure. $1 billion less Ethereum has been sold. 309,000 Ethereum out of circulation forever. At this rate of burning, we are going to see 1 million Ethereum burnt by the end of the year. That's incredible. Remember, burning only went online back at like the start of August. It was August 5th we started burning Ethereum. Ever since that time, 309,000 Ethereum has been burnt. That's 6 weeks. That's 6 weeks. 3 more months to go. 3.5 months till the end of the year. We could hit 1 million Ethereum possibly. Maybe we're not going to hit 1 million by the end of the year. Maybe it's going to be 850 or 900,000 Ethereum burnt by the end of the year. Maybe it takes till the end of January to burn 1 million, but holy cow, man. That is rocket fuel for price appreciation for the Ethereum that's left. The Ethereum sitting in your wallet is going to go up in value because we are starting to hit a supply shock reality. Very exciting. We're also seeing Ethereum Layer 2s taking off. Now, in order to use Ethereum Layer 2, you need to have Ethereum. Plain and simple. You have to have ETH to pay the gas fees on Ethereum Layer 2. Arbitrum is the big mover. It's seen a 2,526% increase of total value locked over the last 7 days as a whole bunch of high-risk degenerate farms are popping up on Arbitrum. And look, moving your Ethereum over to Arbitrum, it's super easy. It's super easy. You just go to the Arbitrum portal, put in how much you want to send over, and then send it over. And then you're on Layer 2. And you can now use Uniswap on Layer 2. You can use SushiSwap on Layer 2. You can use Balancer on Layer 2. You can use Curve Finance on Layer 2. Aave and Maker and lots of the other top DeFi protocols are also coming very soon. Not all of them are available yet. They're coming very soon, some of those ones. This is a real layer 2 environment happening for Ethereum. Now, layer 2 Ethereum means that regular people can start using Ethereum again without having to pay crushing fees. That's why we're seeing so much money flowing into Arbitrum. Probably the only reason why we're not seeing more money flowing into Arbitrum right now is people don't really know fully what's going on. Maybe they don't know how to get into Arbitrum. It's really easy. So in order to connect to Arbitrum, to send some Ethereum over, all you have to do is come to the website bridge.arbitrum.io. I'll leave a link down below in the description that you can find. Type in how much Ethereum you want to deposit. Let's say you want to deposit 1 Ethereum, and then you click on deposit. And then after a few minutes, your Ethereum is now living on Arbitrum. Do be aware there's a 7-day withdrawal wait period. So if you want to take your Ethereum back out of layer 2, you have to wait a few days for that to happen. Now you do need to set that up as a custom network on your MetaMask as well. Here are the parameters that you will need for that. Again, I'll leave a link for this down below in the description that you can use. It's a step-by-step guide on actually how to connect to Arbitrum and then actually use Uniswap on layer 2. So go get your hands dirty, play around a little bit. It's much easier than you think to get started on Ethereum layer 2. $2.5 billion already locked on Arbitrum. That shows that people are adopting layer 2 Ethereum, which is very good for Ethereum because, again, the native asset of Arbitrum is not some random token, it's Ethereum. Next, we also have 7.682 million Ethereum currently locked in the ETH 2.0 staking contract. That number obviously is going up all of the time. More and more people are staking their Ethereum, chasing after those sweet, sweet Ethereum staking rewards. That's incredible. That's an incredible amount of Ethereum locked up in the ETH 2.0 staking contract. Now, yes, a day will come when all that Ethereum is going to unlock, and then everyone's going to dump all their Ethereum on the markets and take a bunch of profits, and Ethereum's going to go down like 99%. Probably not. I know there's some fear around that. And look, let's keep it real. Some people, when they get their staking rewards paid out for Ethereum, they're going to take profits. But I would imagine a lot of, not all of, but a lot of this money is just going to stay staking. They're just going to keep rolling over the profits and rolling over the profits and rolling over the profits, taking a long-term view on the Ethereum asset. Especially when you see these kinds of predictions about how high the staking APR might be after the merge. So this is Justin Drake, an Ethereum 2.0 researcher. He says staking rewards likely to at least 2x with the current EVM gas fees. I expect 25% staking APR immediately after the merge. More rewards equals more staking equals more economic security. Now that is because right now the fees on Ethereum are high. All of those fees, yes, some of them are going to be burned. Yes, some are going to be burned, but a lot of that fee money is going to start going over to the stakers. You have to remember right now, if you're staking ETH 2.0, you're only getting inflation rewards. You're not getting any fee rewards. But as soon as the merge happens, you're going to start getting those fee rewards paid out as well, which is going to make stakers even more money in ETH 2.0, which is, of course, a very, very bullish thing for those staking. So it makes it less likely that they're going to take their ETH out and go sell it when they could just keep putting more in and earning even more staking rewards. And the final thought about why Ethereum's so bullish, why Ethereum is heading up to 10K, is that big money is really starting to take a notice. We've been talking about this for a few months. We've seen so much chatter of big money guys talking about Ethereum is the new trade. Ethereum is the one you got to get into. Yeah, Bitcoin's still cool. Yeah, we still buy Bitcoin, but you got to get yourself positioned in Ethereum. We've seen big banks talking about it. We've seen big investors talking about it. And we've seen the likes of ARK Invest positioning themselves significantly in Ethereum. ARK Invest, as we talked about yesterday on the channel, they're looking to do 60% Bitcoin, 40% Ethereum for their cryptocurrency exposure. People are taking notice. And what are they taking notice of? Well, we can see here, for example, Ethereum basically outperforming major funds. So this is the yellow is the NASDAQ, red's the S&P 500. This is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The light blue line here, that's Bitcoin. You can see Ethereum dramatically outperforming Bitcoin at the moment as well. Bitcoin performing quite well versus all these different funds, but Ethereum is the clear winner. Ethereum's breaking away from the pack right now. Utility is catching up to Ethereum. People are realizing, you want to buy the best NFTs, you go to Ethereum. You want the best DeFi, you go to Ethereum. You want the most options, you go to Ethereum. And big money is looking at staking. Big money is looking at how to make money off Ethereum. Big money is looking at the future upgrades of Ethereum and what those bring to the picture. They're looking at EIP 1559. They're looking at the merge to proof of stake. All of that stuff is creating a very bullish picture for Ethereum that's going to send us up to 10K and beyond. You can also see here, ETH has shown its highest correlation to the NASDAQ, which tends to be linked with higher potential, higher risk investments, which is very, very interesting. Again, we are seeing the big money crowd taking an interest in the Ethereum asset, getting ready for that inevitable rise. There's so many bullish catalysts for Ethereum right now. When you have the likes of ARK Invest out there shilling Ethereum to the institutional money crowd, watch out. Watch out. Anyway, just my two gway for the day. Your question, do you think that Ethereum can hit $10,000 this year? Or are we going to have to wait until 2022 to get our $10,000 Ethereum? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.